Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Anyway, guess what we're doing today? Today we're taking the ACT because, you know, college. And that's just kind of something that you have to do, whether it's the ACT or the SAT. You kind of gotta do one of them for college, I guess. So that's what we're doing today. I'm not super excited about it, but you know what? You gotta get through what you gotta get through. Basically, when you sign up for the ACT, you pick a school that you want to take the ACT at. But of course, I picked one that was really far away from my house. I don't really know why I did that. And I have no idea where it is, and I've never been there before. So we're gonna have to see how to get there. But anyway, that's what's happening today. I don't really know what else. Normally, on a weekend, I don't wake up at 6:15 to go take the ACT. Okay, but anyway, let's go take the ACT because I don't want to be late because they won't let me take it otherwise, and I paid $94 for this, so. Oh my gosh, I finally finished that. That only, oh wow, okay, my eyes have to adjust. That only took like, what, 5 hours?
I don't know.
It went a lot longer than how long they said it would take. My gosh, the sun is so bright. It looks like I'm crying. I'm not, I promise. Anyway,
I haven't eaten in 7.5 hours.
Which makes me not do okay, and I was so hangry during the test, and my stomach kept making sounds, and it was really awkward, even though I'm pretty sure everyone else was in the same boat. I'm at Chipotle now. I need a burrito because I'm so hungry. Also, side note, I saw so many people I knew there, and I thought I wasn't gonna see anyone I knew, but you know what? Haha, I was wrong. It's fine, it's over now. Past is in the past. Time for my burrito. Change of plans, I'm not going to Chipotle. I walked in. I didn't actually walk in. I just looked through the window, and there were about probably, I don't know, 23 people in line. And you know what? I'm not doing that, so I'm mapping a different one. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to find a Chipotle. Okay, I found one, and I'm just gonna go to this one.
Starting route to Chipotle.
Because I don't want to wait in a line, and sorry I'm acting weird. I sat in a room for 6 hours. I'll see you when I get my burrito. Okay, this is a really awkward angle, but that's because the camera is getting too hot to touch because I put it in the sun and left it there for 5 hours. So if the camera falls, it's because it's balancing on top of my phone. But I got my burrito finally. I am so happy about this. I got extra chicken on it because, you know, why not? And why am I telling you this? I don't really know. Whatever, I told you anyway, so deal with it. Mukbang. Okay, but let's talk about the ACT. If I talk about it, we're not really gonna talk about it. Also, if you took it today, I hope you did good. You probably did. But I made a list of all the things we should talk about for this video, and let's talk about them. Okay, I'm moving this. If it overheats, then it overheats. Let's talk about music, because that's always a fun topic. I am obsessed with Miley Cyrus's new song, Mother Daughter. It's so good. If you haven't listened to it, go listen to it. It's amazing. Also, music, Billie Eilish. She had a concert in my hometown a couple of nights ago, and I really wanted to go, but I didn't because tickets were incredibly expensive, and so many people went, and I wish I went. There's always a next time. Just kidding. You could die anytime, and you don't know. Also, should I make a playlist video? Actually, I don't really care. I'm gonna do it anyway. I feel like this part is getting too boring. I'll see you when I get home. Okay, I'm a little bit concerned because I just turned on my car and, you know, probably about 10 minutes ago, the gas tank thing was at like 3/4 of a tank, and now this boy be full. So what is happening? Am I just... I think we're living in a simulation because I am 5,000% sure that it was at 3/4 of a tank and now it's full. What is that? No, like, am I dreaming? Or is this real? Are we living in reality? And we're probably just living in a simulation. It's fine. No, but like, actually, if it's saying I have a full tank and I really don't have a full tank, then what if it says I have a full tank but I have an empty tank and then I ran out of gas on the middle of the highway? This weekend's just been so weird so far. Okay. it's the next day and the gas tank thing is still broken, but that's okay. Hopefully it's just a fluke and not some actual issue. Or maybe I was just hallucinating or something. But anyway, it's the next day. That means that it's another day of trying to get myself to do things that I don't particularly feel like doing. But you know what? You and me are along for the ride on that. So why don't you be productive while watching my video of me being productive? I don't know.
Maybe you can put away some laundry.
Or clean your room or something. Well, I'm gonna be so late for my spin class, but you know what? That's okay. YouTube filming is much more, I don't know what the word is, but you know what I'm saying anyways. See you after class. Okay, so I just pulled up at spin class, but while I was driving, I came up with the perfect metaphor for life, and you guys, I knew you needed to hear it right now. It was a very immediate matter, because if I didn't tell you now, I'd forget about it. So, what happened was, you know, I was just driving along, minding my own business, you know, not breaking any laws, and then this guy comes speeding along next to me. He, like, whips his car around, you know how people do that and be really obnoxious. Who just texted me? It was Yelp. No one texted me. But basically, you know, when you're driving along and then someone passes you, right? Because you're, quote, going too slow even though they're going 20 miles per hour too fast. But then it's really funny because you end up at the same red stoplight. That's a perfect metaphor for life. It's basically representing no matter how fast or slow, no matter how you approach life, we're all gonna end up in the same place. And that's what I thought I needed to tell you right now. So you're welcome. Okay, I'm a cooking channel now. Deal with it. Now that I've showered, I'm a lot less exhausted from exercising. And I put on this makeup and I feel like this eyeshadow is too dark and it makes me look like a raccoon, but that's totally fine. Raccoons are fun. It's time to make lunch now and I'm hungry and I want to make oatmeal. Let's make my oatmeal. What if I made oatmeal in like a coffee mug? I kind of want to do that. Done, and I don't know why I decided to make this in a coffee mug. That's a little bit weird, but it doesn't really matter. Things just taste better in coffee mugs. So why not go make some chicken soup in a coffee mug? Life's just more fun like that. Oh my gosh, we're in the car again. Nothing new. I still look like a raccoon. It's like the eyeshadow's the same color as my under eye bags, which is kind of rude. Oh wait, I didn't actually say what we're doing. We're going to a coffee shop, you and me, because I have a bunch of stuff I need to get done, and I really need to get it done, and I can't do anything at my house because I just get distracted by everything that's in my house. It's like the same thing, you know, when you're cleaning your room and you end up not cleaning it because you find something under your bed, like an old magazine, and then you spend like 5 hours reading it. It's the same idea. And guess who didn't end the video, because guess who's forgetful? Me. But anyway, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you want to join the fam here. I don't know what else people say. I'm trying to think. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Adios.